Hey, hello everyone. I'm very happy to see you again in this session. Thank you to the NS Asia who invite me again to present our material in here. Actually, this is part 2 of my presentation, is implementation in manufacturing industry in Indonesia. In our previous session, we already present more detail in telecommunication and sales and marketing. In this session, I will share how this implement in utilities, especially in pipeline operation management for daily operation and maintenance. Let's see how it look like in oil and gas industry. So this application we call Pipeline Information Management System for oil and gas industry daily operation and maintenance. This is a GIS map info-based application. So in this pipeline information management system, support all necessary requirements needed for daily operation for oil and gas distribution through pipeline. The solution consists of 6 main modules, which consists like pipeline monitoring module, data management module, firmware module, situational procedure module, system tools, and application security setting. Module number 1 is pipeline monitoring module. In this pipeline daily operation, material flow inside the pipeline could be gas or oil. This material very explosive. So there is no leakage allowed. When it's happened, it could be burn everything. So there is an action should be do to avoid a leakage. So this 6 actions should be, at least this 6 actions should be do to avoid it leakage or I mean at least do this action to avoid an accident. Okay, this could be a cathodic protection, component monitoring, direct current voltage gradient, geometrical pigging, manual pigging, and intelligent pigging. So all this process will be done in a pigging process. So this is a pigging process. PIG is stand for pipeline inspection gate. So the equipment will be like this. This is a smart pigging. The equipment consists of magnetic sensor and some electronic sensor that can examine and collect data inside the pipeline. And also equipped with odometer to calculate a distance during the inspection process. So all data stored in the storage together with the distance. So we know which part of the pipeline has a problem. So once we found a problem, it is easy to identify which part of the pipeline should be repaired or be maintained. So once pigging process finished, all the data transmit to the system and can be analyzed further. Okay, we continue. Next. Sorry, I should explain that. I think some manufacturer in the latest technology already has already integrated with the GPS system. So all data stored in this storage memory come together with long lat identification. So more easily to identify all the data recorded in the memory. So if we do, because here some pipeline installation is underground. So if if we want to do a reparation or pipe replacement, we should dig a certain point on the ground, and then find out which part of the pipeline should be repaired. Okay, continue. And next module is data management module. This module consists of 7 submodules shown in this slide. This more administrative module. And viewer module consists of 5 submodules as shown in this presentation. Okay, we continue next. So data from our pigging process, we can show as graphically like here. For example, this is a COFOM monitoring data shown by survey date, and also we can also visualize liquid level, and then GIPS data and CP data. All this kind of data very important to monitor the potential corrosion inside the pipeline. In this graphic, we can see red line means this is a bottom line for the data. No data allowed below this red line. So if we found a data below red line, means there's an anomaly or something problem with the pipeline. Similar to this data in CP data. This is a red line means maximum limit data can accept it. So we continue next. Pipe schematic viewer. So in this module, you can see pipeline schematic, very detailed. Okay, and also we can see information for particular part like this. We can see detail ID fab, size, fab type, status, and alignment. So we continue to next. Topographic map viewer. So we can see information based on map. So we can see here pipeline path and detail picture of the pipeline together with pipeline segment. We can see more detail. For example, we can see a pipeline on above satellite imagery data, and we can see more detail like here. So pipeline together with other information like wire fence, plantation limit, contour, etc. Or even we can see more detail information for each pipeline. Like here, you can see pipe size, pipe specification, pipe content, location, and length. And next module is accident assessment. Accident assessment is designed to record event of accident occur around the pipeline area. This is very important to collect the data. Like here, this is a sample screen, how accident can be recorded in the system. For example, we can we have data like this, and then we can find the location like this, and we can click the detail of the accident like here. So the detail of the accident we can see in this screen. And next is emergency coordination plan. So we can record all emergency report. So one accident or emergency happen, we record in this screen who received the information, who report the emergency, and some other detailed information. After this form complete, then the system can suggest what should be done for next action. And then also we can do coordination with another organization to follow up the emergency. So this is a very comprehensive module for daily operation in pipeline, especially in gas and oil distribution through pipeline. So I think that's all that I want to present in this session. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.